Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your POF account. First of all, you have to open your Google Chrome web browser, and in the top section right over here, type down pof.com and enter it, and make sure you type down the correct form of the pof.com. And after you could see, we just landed to the official homepage of the Plenty of Fish, which is the POF. And on the top right corner, there's a sign in option just beside the help. Click over here. In order to log into your Plenty of Fish, you are required with a username or email, whichever you prefer. As I'm going with my username, and type down your password and make sure you type down the correct password. And after that, click on the login option. But if you have forgotten your password or lost access to your password, you can click on this option that says forgot your password so that you will be able to recover or reset your password for your account. Thank you for watching this, and that is how you can log in after clicking this option. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.